Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions part 12 for CMET examination. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. In which of the following places Jet Muro tunnel will be constructed? So the correct answer is C, which is Jammu and Kashmir. The 6.5-kilometer long road tunnel is being constructed near Ganganair of Ganderbal district of the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It has a high strategic importance for India. Question number 2. China and which country have signed 33 bilateral deals to accelerate Belt and Road Initiative? So the correct answer is option B, which is Myanmar. Myanmar and China signed 33 bilateral deal including agreement, MOU, exchange letter and protocol on the concluding day of the two-day visit by the Chinese President Xi Jinping to Myanmar. Question number 3. China's Great Wall Motor Company Limited is set to acquire which company's Telegon manufacturing plant near Pune? So the correct answer option D, which is General Motors. China's Great Wall Motor Company Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Maharashtra government, plans to invest $1 billion or about 7,600 crore to upgrade the manufacturing facility it had acquired from American car maker General Motors near Pune. Question number 4. Which movie has won the Best Film Award at the 18th Dhaka International Film Festival? So the correct answer is B, which is Castle of Dream. The Iranian film Castle of Dream, directed by Reza Mirakarimi, won the Best Film Award in Asia competition section of the 18th Dhaka International Film Festival. The film also won the Best Director Award. Question number 5. Which city will be executive capital of Andhra Pradesh? So the correct answer is D, which is Visakhapatnam. It is only state with 3 capitals. The largest city and commercial hub of the state, Visakhapatnam, will be the executive capital, while Amravati and Kurnool serve as legislative and judicial capital respectively. Question number 6. Which country has lifted the ban on a encyclopedia website Wikipedia in the country after blocking access to the website for over 2 years? So the correct answer is B, which is Turkey. From 29th April 2017 to 15th January 2020, the online encyclopedia Wikipedia was blocked in Turkey. On 29th April 2017, Turkey's authorities blocked online access to all its language editions throughout the country due to the English version's article on the state-sponsored terrorism, where Turkey was described as a sponsor country for ISIL and Al-Qaeda, which Turkey's court viewed as a public manipulation of mass media. Question number 7. Which bank has appointed Shalini Warrier to the post of executive director? So the correct answer is D, which is Federal Bank. Kochi-based private sector lender Federal Bank announced elevation of Shalini Warrier as an executive director. The bank received approval of the Reserve Bank in this regard. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Road Safety Committee by Supreme Court? So the correct answer option B, which is Abhay Manohar Spare. The Supreme Court has appointed one of its retired judge, Justice Abhay Mohan Sapre, as the chairman of its committee on the road safety after the panel's current head, former Apex Court Judge Justice K.S.P. Radhakrishnan, expressed difficulty in continuing the position. Question number 9. Which two villages are set to become India's first model sports village? So the correct answer is D, which is Bhadalpur and Kheri Viran. Bhadalpur and Kheri Viran are set to become India's first model sport village as part of Institute of Management Technology, Ghaziabad's plan to develop a sport culture in the country. Question number 10. Who has become the fastest opener to score 7,000 one-day international runs? So the correct answer is B, which is Rohit Sharma. India's Rohit Sharma became the fastest batsman to score 7,000 ODI runs as opener, leaving behind Hashim Amla and Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 11. Philip Nyusi has sworn in the president of which country for second term? So the correct answer is C, which is Mozambique. The inauguration of Philip Nyusi as the fourth president took place on 15 January 2015. He was sworn in the second and final term on 15 January 2020. Question number 12. Who has become the brand ambassador of Kingfisher Ultra? So the correct answer option A, which is Farhan Akhtar. United Breweries Limited announced Farhan Akhtar as their brand ambassador. This drive was wanting to achieve more and being multi-faced, renovates very well and Farhan Akhtar personality and public person. Question number 13. Which state is going to set up a committee to suggest measures to improve forest tourism? So the correct answer is D, which is Maharashtra. Maharashtra state is going to set up a committee to suggest measures to improve forest tourism. Question number 14. Which country has ranked at the top in the 2020 Best Countries report? So the correct answer option B, which is Switzerland. Switzerland, Canada, and Japan maintain their dominance in the overall 2020 Best Countries report, a ranking and analysis project by US News and World Report BAV Group and the Wharton School of University, Palanesia. Question number 15. Which city was adjusted as the world's most dynamic city in the JLL City Momentum Index 2020? So the correct answer is C, which is Hyderabad. Hyderabad has been assessed as the world's most dynamic city from among 130 cities across the globe. According to the 7th edition of the City Momentum Index, there are 3 more Indian cities that made it to a top 10, which is Bengaluru on 2nd, Chennai on 5th, and Delhi on 6th. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.